Zippo first.
Hey. Well, looky here. Ooh, it's fire. Woo!
It's a P-51 Mustang.
I know, it's P-51.
Your daddy fly one?
Yes, he did. Yourself a midnight snack.
Bring me the trackers.
In a gang, dipshit. Voice. It's your eyes.
Again.
Got a preliminary hearing on the 17th.
All right.
I probably would have had to paste you up.
So I'm counting on you to help me help your son. Thank you very much. Put him back on the line, please.
I'm gonna find. Don't let them make up your mind.
All kinds of death is about to hit less than 20 yards.
Lewis?
Well, I am most certain you did not come here for sympathy.
What are you gonna do, charge me with smoking?
You're flushed. This time I can't bring myself to tell him to shut up.
Bad shit.
Yeah.
What were those things?
But now that he's dead, that means I gotta be the captain.
Our shrimp boat captain.
Yes, sir. A promise is a promise.
Approved by Congress. Whole picture together yet, but
Captain, just how far up this river we going?
Ah.
That is all that love's about. Recall my hand.
Come to watch the shit go in the hole.
Okay?
Come out to the coast. We'll get together, have a few laughs.
Want to interview some GIs in the field, sir? And play those tapes on the radio? God only knows what they'd say, sir.
If you can't act tough, you gotta look.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Yes, indeedy, feed the needy. Lighten up.
Come on, cigarettes.
I can't believe I did it.